Yo, what up? So I got this new little haul in. Today's video is sponsored by Nike. Much love to them. Got some new pickups that I want to do videos on, but I figured first and foremost, let's do a haul. I feel like I haven't done a haul in a very long time. So just some of the things that I've been eyeing for quite some time, guys. It's been some years since I picked up some new Nike Tech gear. My favorite, man, this is all I used to wear. Slim fit, tapered leg, we got the regular length, got these in a size large. In the gray, I have so many black pairs, so I figured might as well change it up and have a nice little grout fit. I also went with the hoodie as well. Now with all Nike stuff, typically I highly recommend just going true to size, because when you do size up, you'll be swimming in it. But happy to have those. I'm gonna do a whole like sizing video on that. The one thing that I'm really looking forward to is the different sneakers I picked up. So right here we have the Zoom Pegasus 40 in this like plain Jane box. I'm actually surprised they made it like a whole experience. Gotta rip it open. Similar to like the hippies. Let's check these out. So I've been looking for a good workout shoe. I ended up going with the Pegasus in the white colorway. These look good. Wow. When I work out, I like to just wear all black for the most part and just have white sneakers. Just because it always looks good. You know, when you're in the gym, you just want to look good. All black fit with the white sneakers, man, it's just a go-to outfit. Like, you just can't beat it. This next pair we got here is the Blazer Lows. So this is the 77s. This is my, I want to say, second or third pair of Blazers. I really just wanted these to do the review on. Really popular sneaker. I love the Jordan 1 Low. So I figured I would realistically probably, damn, these look like clown shoes, man. They're huge. But loving the aesthetic and the style of these. I know they're extremely popular, so I figured I'm gonna do a full in-depth review on them. Maybe even like how to style, something along those lines. But I wanted to pick some just more affordable shoes that are popular for the summertime, you know what I mean? Gotta change it up, gotta change it up. All right, so this next box right here, looks like it's just a pair of shoes. Another pair of Blazers. This is one of those shoes that I feel like everyone gets. A very wearable, just timeless classic right here. Man, the one thing about Blazers, they are a pain to get on. That's actually why I sold my last pair. I'm trying to think, what was it, like the Fragment? But I think it was Fragments, or it had to have been the Fragment Blazers. I wore them one time and they were just annoying to get on and off. So I'm like, you know what, bye. So I just figured, you know, let's pick up the classic colorway. Here's the last box. I'll put links down below for all of these if you guys are interested in picking anything up. Ooh, we got some goodies. All right, so really been heavy into golfing. I had to pick up a Tiger Woods hat in white. I kind of wish I would have went with the black one. I might, white is fine, it'd be hot out there. Had to grab that. Another pair of Tech. This right here is the shorts. I pretty much have every color besides gray, so I decided to go with gray. Then we got two pairs of shoes. This right here, I think, is the Invincible 3s. I heard these are the most comfortable Nike sneakers out there right now. Between these and the Pegasus. So we're gonna find out which shoe is the better one to work out in, but that's interesting that Nike does. Oh, maybe I didn't even have to rip it like that. I didn't. Wow. Could have just popped this and smooth. Nike Zoom Invincible Run FK. I like these boxes. Look at these. Man, talk about a soul. Nike Zoom X. This is a great colorway. Now, obviously these are running shoes. I don't really run like that. I'm more so just into weightlifting and walking. So, I mean, perfect walking shoe. If I ever decide to get into running, you never know. You just never know. I love the way these look. I can't wait to try them out. All right, and then this last pair we have is the Nike Tiger Woods. Retail is crazy on these. I swear it was like $240, $250. Nike Golf. Had to try these out, man. Big fan of Tiger. Even comes with a little dust bag. That's hilarious. I mean, it makes sense. But a little Nike swoosh on there. I like that. Went with the all black pair. When I'm golfing, I'm gonna be dressed like Tiger. Leave me alone, okay? I'm wearing my red shirt, black pants, black shoes, and hopefully we can hit, you know, under 100. That's all I want. I'm really excited to try these out. I got a few different Nike golf shoes that I'm gonna like do reviews on. Need to get out there some more, but loving this. I've been a big fan of black shoes as of late. So let's go ahead and just try all this stuff on.
I see faces when I fall asleep, girl. Different places, but it's all the same, girl. Want you all of me, that's all I need, girl. Want you follow me, give you what you need, yeah, you a part of me, light up the dark, you a start of me.
All right, first and foremost, I'm loving the way these fit. I did go true to size, large. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video about this, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys some breakdowns on the pieces that I ended up picking up. So first, going with the hoodie. Looks good, perfect length. I'm 6'3", 190 pounds. It's right on the money. Now in terms of the pants, went with the large. Again, perfect length. I kind of wish I would have got the longer. The thing about these tech pants, when you wash them, man, you gotta make sure to hang dry them. Do not put them in the dryer. If I would have got the long version, then I would have just thrown them in the dryer, but it seems like they do typically shrink over time. So we'll see. Like I said, it's been a few years since I purchased a pair. Shorts, A1. I love these tech shorts. They've always been my favorite. What I really like is the zipper pockets. I hate wearing shorts and my phone falls out of my pocket. It drives me insane, but loving them. This whole fit just looks perfect. This is like something I would wear on the daily. I just love the tech wear. These blazers are so fire on feet. I mean, you guys can just see visually they look so clean. Honestly, might be a runner-up for a sneaker that I wear a lot because these really go with just about anything. Honestly, nothing's better than opening a package with just bangers after bangers. These, Invincible, I get the name. Very comfortable. Can't wait to actually take them to the gym and, you know, put them to use. Definitely go true to size on these. I understand why the Pegasus have been around so long. Classic shoe, looks great on feet. Loving them. Again, go true to size on these. Tiger Woods, true to size. Look really nice on feet. I just got to get out on the golf course and, you know, see what's up with these. And then we're going to finish this off with the Blazer high tops. These are so solid with cargos. I'm wearing the Nike cargos right now in case anyone was wondering. Man, they're solid. It's just the whole putting them on and off drives me insane. But beyond that, I get why this is such a classic, versatile shoe. But that's all I have for you guys. That is my summer Nike haul. Let me know what you guys think down below. Which one of these sneakers are your favorite? If you guys do want to purchase anything from Nike, please use my link down below. I would highly appreciate it. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Let me give you what you need, girl. I be begging on my knees, girl. Yeah, you my drug and I'm your fiend, girl. Please don't wake me from my dream world. Yeah, dinner on my